Alright, so I enter position right here, short position right over here, because on the hourly time frame, there's not hourly, 15 minutes, 15-minute time frame. There's a minor retrace back into this breaker block here. I'll have to see it go into the candle itself, but in the wick is fine. As you can see here, this is a higher high here, then a lower low here. You can see more clearly here. Yep, the higher high here and the lower low here. Making it become bearish here. So my target was this low, but was this low, but it got drawn to. So my next target would be this low here but I'm not really aiming for that low yet because today is Monday. We're not sure how market gonna move yet. So right now we'll see how the market really goes. I'm targeting this high right here, high of the candle here. There's also a 1 hour value gap here being retraced back to here, right here and here. Alright, let's see how this plays out. If this candle form above this 5-hourly gap and created a rally down, I would assume I'm offside, but as long as there's no candle from above here, I think I'm safe. You can see the candle here just heavy flow down, wouldn't get above this fair gap here. I actually wanted this to get above to fill up this imbalance here, but as long as it's moving to my direction, I guess can be fine. Because when the market opens at 9:30 right here, the market made a quick rally down to draw liquidity here and basically took out both liquidity above here and here. But above liquidity here, they have a breaker and an FAG above there. So I'll assume I'm safe. There's an equal high here which can be targeted here. Basically the breaker here which can be targeted as a relative equal high. Could be in the future, which can be targeted. Look out for that. But I'm not saying that it will become bullish back. Um, after it created a new high, I actually prefer it prefer as I think go it will go bearish. Alright, I'm moving my stop to the candle high here. I won't expect much. I won't expect market to move much in Monday, so that's why I lower my position to half of it. Let's see how. Oh wait, I forgot to. Let me just hold on. No, not this one. Alright, this should be good. Let me just add it somewhere here. Alright, as you can see, it's not really performing well. It's more to liquidity up, draw liquidity at a 5 minute and 1 minute here. So I'll expect I'll get stopped out pretty soon. If I really did, okay, never mind. Oops, hold on, let me just adjust here. Alright, I'll close my position early because I think it might reverse on me there. Okay, it did not, but I still find this unfavorable because of the fair value gap here. It didn't close in on the half. I would like to enter again, but I'll set my stop loss above here and keep my stop loss tight. I enter half of my position again, half of my position. So if it run either way, I would not. If it run to my stop loss right away, I would not have been surprised because basically market can do whatever it needs to do. So the most important lesson is when you reach a point where you feel uncertain about the trade, you can basically just you can basically close it because when it hits the fair value cap here, it made me feel uncertain to a point that I think, yep, I should close the trade off here. So you can see market that are rejecting this fair value cap here. Or you can say it's reacting off the fair value cap here. So I'm gonna close my position there. And I'm gonna just see how the market move now because it made me uncertain that this fair value gap here will have a strong rejection of will have a strong rejection of. If it keep going down, I'm not even gonna see it as I'm not gonna even be surprised or be FOMO about it because I have do what I think I did best. So yeah, yeah. I'm gonna keep my original position here. As you can basically see, I have 0 trades on right now. check. Yep, Euro also going down. Pretty much what I expected from a Monday afternoon high. Retraces off. Just break of structure here. Retrace back and sell off. Same story here. And okay, gonna go to my profit target. Right about the macro hours, which I want market to just go straight to my objective here, you can say, in next couple minutes. Okay, retracing off, retracing back into this fair value gap. I'll enter a sell here. Then it reaches back into this fair value gap. It's actually creating a new opportunity for entry, but if it's a opportunity, I wouldn't suggest much so because it's not really the right price swing for it. 50% are around this point right here above the fair value gap. When it's get much close to the area and didn't really grab the liquidity before retracing, I see that as a low probability setup. So basically from this point on, I don't really want to see the fair value gap get above the candle form above this fair value gap. I want to see the candle form above the fair value gap. Yep, this is a nice signature to see. Zoom out a bit to see the overall trend direction. Okay, it's moving quite steadily. I'm gonna take out half of my position around this swing low right here. I'll see that as a first objective. So, right, close up for position, move to break even. So basically my second or third, you can say it's third as market execution was right above this fair value gap here. And my stop loss was above this candle right here. When it reaches towards the low of this, I would just get get half of my position off at this point and target my break even here. So yeah, this my third position. No, actually I'm not gonna lie. Toward this trade right here, my sensors are telling me that this are going against me towards upper here. So I was thinking of this as a equal high and this breaker as an equal high here to be targeted, but I was wrong, and as I think I overthink about it, and it made me uncertain as we as I look again the daily analysis I have. I could see that market are really just going bearish right here. Didn't get above this here during a lunch afternoon session. I mean morning session, London session. It actually get above, but it's during of London New York Open, so it's not really the trade I want to be in. I want to consider, I guess, consider. So the first analysis I did was right, which are the breaker block here, then the fair value gap here, which are to be rejected. And I'm gonna throw my stop to 100 points. This was my second objective. I don't think Monday could get this low, or I was wrong. And so I actually did 3 execution here, which are the one above here, the second one, and the third one here. Alright, that took out my stop. So yeah, one actually ended up in uncertain. Two, I also ended up uncertain because of the second dip into the fair value gap and rejected off as a candles reacting off the fair value gap here. And the third actually retraces off the fair value gap as inversion fair value gap and going to my TP right here.